Good afternoon, New York City. My name is Tony. Looks like we got a lot of people in the booth. Welcome to Thrill Street, right over here at the Nissan display. We got a lot of activities in store for you, one of which is actually underway right now. If you want to play some interactive trivia with yours truly, scan this QR code. You're going to need to register until you see a game on screen. Once you see the game on, then it is on. This is one of the 4 activations that we have here upstairs on Thrill Street. If you're trying to complete your journey, this is one way to do so. We're looking for 4 stamps on your wristband to spin the wheel over there to get a prize. You can't miss the ultimate garage that is sitting right here with the brand new GTR. By taking a lap, hopping a line, taking a lap, sitting inside the ride right there, that is your 4th activation that we're looking for in order for you to spin and win. Everybody else is playing along with me. If you're wanting to continue that thrill journey and this is your first activity, don't worry. All right, and so we got a full room. Here's how it's gonna work. I'm gonna read out the question. You're gonna look to your phone for the answer. This large. Look to your phone to play. Here we go. 2 screens, 2 12.3-inch screens, or 2 65-inch Ultra HD. I mean, I'm not even gonna say it correct. You can actually see that here on display. The R we have there on the floor, as well as doing an EV ride along downstairs.
Okay, for sure. And make sure to tag forward so I can see the video, okay? Awesome. Well, guess what? Up next, I'm going to teach you about the entire 2024 Mustang lineup.
What kind of likeness is that?
Now, you know that Dodge has never been a follower, nor will they ever be a follower. You're going to find next level of performance, modern muscle design, and patent-pending features that will rewrite the rules when it comes to battery electric vehicles. So let's just jump right in. Now, the Dodge Daytona SRT concept, you're going to notice on the front grille, it will have those cross-car lights and also the white aluminum front saw badge. Now, that three-pointed front saw logo, you may remember it from the 1962 to 1976 Dodge vehicles, right, sir? I remember them as well. I was just a young girl growing up in Detroit, but that was the beginning of my love affair of Dodge muscle. Now, also, we have a patent-pending R-wing design. Now, this is going to redefine the Dodge's front end, but it's going to pay tribute to the 1968 Dodge Daytona. Now, this R-ring design is going to let air flow through and out for advanced aerodynamics. Now, the side of the vehicles, you'll notice that the door handles are nice and flush. Gives it a very sleek design, except for one thing. Check out the aluminum screaming banshees on the front fenders. Now, also the rear of the vehicle, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to notice has that full width of the tail lamp. And in the center is going to have the red frat saw badge, giving it a very futuristic design, but with a true Dodge feel. Now, the Dodge Daytona SRT concept will have the all-new 800-volt Banshee propulsion system. Now, this screaming Banshee will be standard with all-wheel drive and those electric powertrain. It's going to be faster than the SRT Hellcat. We also have a patent-pending E-roped multi-speed transmission with electromechanical shifting with distinctive shift points. If that wasn't enough, let's get some more horsepower in there. We have a power-to-pass feature, the Power Shot, giving you additional horsepower when you feel that need for speed.
brother, where are we going, brothers?
What's all this?
We going Valhalla?
It's a nice little center screen.
Matthew, where we going now, little brother? Oh, get in, brother.
Go to Bluetooth. Go to Bluetooth audio, Matt.
What?
Turn on the Bluetooth audio settings. Play some music.
That's pin? I was riding in the back, riding gunner. Hell yeah, brother. We need to turn on the roof, brother.
Dude, back to you would die if the Matthew would get this truck. You would die.
This is nasty. Throw the buttons.
Matthew wants this car.
Play with the Matthew touch stuff. Put it in race mode. Put it in race mode. BMW, Chevy, and Nissan.
What is that, the passport or is that the CRV?